Thank you for joining us on our amazing adventure to Antarctica. Starting in the U.S., we flew from Miami to Buenos Aires, Argentina. From there, we flew to the southernmost city in the world, Ushuaia, Argentina. This was where we embarked on our expedition ship, the Ocean Albatross, which took us to the great white continent of Antarctica. Please watch all 4 episodes of this journey to see nature's stunning glaciers and icebergs, wildlife, fun activities, and of course, many, many adorable penguins. Enjoy. Here we are in the very first landing in Antarctica, sort of the outer or northernmost part of the Shetland Islands. And here's the crew going on shore to see if it's acceptable for the rest of the ship to get on. Our first Zodiac ride in Antarctica.
Here we go. That's the landing center, next to the iceberg.
All right. Bye.
Bye.
I'll miss you, but we won't cry.
So if somebody falls in water, just do not panic. We will come and rescue you. And the 5-meter rule, remember? Yeah. Yeah, there's the visitors. They are the locals.
High as a dryer, my man.
We just landed on one of the HO islands. It's called Barrientos. Yeah, we have a lot of breeding penguins, 2 species. If you look behind you and around you, you can find chin straps, and the biggest number is gentoos. And they're both in their own little colony, so they won't mix. And as you can hear, they're very noisy.
I love the chin straps.
I do too.
It's so funny. So give him some space, and you will see that he's gonna pass by. Okay?
He's thinking about walking.
Sometimes they take their time. And that's how it is.
You have a green light. Go. The closest penguin here looks like it's molting. You can see, a few inches down from the top of his head. You see the more fluffier down.
Keep scooting back with me.
Hello, he likes me.
Look under his clothes.
Oh, of course. Looks like you figured it out.
Yeah.
Keep it warm. Been so amazing, all these penguins.
Back to the Zodiac we go.
should know, we paid a lot of bucks to come see you and your family.
What did you see today? Snow.
And
Snow.
Gentoo and a skua.
Green snow or white snow? Yellow snow. Yellow snow. How's it nice to be behind the
My sirloin steak on my hot rock. Cooks pretty fast.
So now they're gonna pay to make their own.
So that the other half will not gonna be overcooked.
Like something what?
A little bit, yes.
So here's my hot rock meal, sirloin steak, baked potato, and it's sizzling at me. Here we are in Cierva Cove. You can see another Zodiac being lowered to the water there. What a stunningly beautiful morning. Sun's out. Saw small humpback whales, a couple little penguins. But this is just stunning. All the ice flows. What a beautiful, beautiful place to be here on a Saturday morning.
See how big it is? This is really right under our balcony.
Here we go on a Zodiac expedition with our fearless captain.
Which way do these things go?
We're in trouble.
Did you see the whale earlier?
Yes.
Yeah.
So beautiful.
I'm real curious just hanging out here.
Yeah, really close to the boat, some of it too.
So you guys have the time to breakfast, chill out. My goodness. What a working you have of it.
What do you think?
I love it. It's so beautiful.
Guess who's in the splash zone?
Hey, you're taking it for the team up there.
Thank you, Carla. Glad to do it.
Yeah.
That's so unique for them.
Yep. You got little claws at the front of their west
Oh,
Yeah.
you see them all at the top?
feet. Yeah.
You can hear them. That's
Yep.
nothing funny.
You're lucky you can't smell them.
Oh, come on, you can do it. You can do it.
Let's go, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good job. Now swim over here.
Well, I'm guessing we're not going to go under the heart. You're on your own there.
What an amazing arched iceberg we've got here. Just so beautiful. Where's my companion?
I'm here. It's so lovely. I want to go real close to it.
Brian, should we move a bit more into the bay? Think so. That wind's coming up. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, we're moving.
The red buildings up on the hill, very close to the water, is the research station for the Argentinians, but they're only here during the summer months.
They're coming soon.
And we'll be here soon. Look at that, that's just amazing, right behind you there.
water here behind you.
Oh, there's your icicles.
Just take a sample of water, take it off, get a drop of water. That's where the ice is originating from. All this area here is specifically that glacier. You can see how on the sort of gentler slopes it's all sort of smooth.
Yeah.
Then when it comes off the steeper slope, then it starts to step down. It drops down in steps rather than flowing down. Always on control, looking for opportunity.
I like these blue icebergs.
Funny how that one's all honeycomb.
Yeah.
These noisy Swedish people.
You can hear the ice underneath our Zodiac scraping the bottom.
I like this bobbing ice cube.
Up and down.
Come on, you can do it. Just slide down. I hope it comes through on the video. This is just stunningly blue water. Just amazing. Well, here we are at Portal Point. This was going to be an afternoon of a landing at Portal Point, and then Zodiac around this area and the icebergs here. But the wind, as you could probably hear in the video, is a little too fierce, and for safety reasons they canceled those activities for this afternoon. What can you do?
You can look at icebergs instead.
Yeah, really disappointing, but